If you want to change the table color in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to change the background color of a table so your document looks cleaner, easier to read, and more professional. This is a great trick if you're making reports, school projects, notes, or any kind of formatted document in LibreOffice. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once LibreOffice starts, look at the left side under Create and click Writer Document. This will open a blank document where you can work with text and tables. If you already have a document open, you can use that too. Next, click anywhere inside your table. This is important because LibreOffice needs to know which table you want to edit. When the table is selected, right-click inside it to open the menu. From there, click Table Properties. This will open a settings window with different options for the table. Now, in the Table Properties window, go to the Background tab. This is where you can control the color and appearance of the table's background. Once you're on the Background tab, select Color. After that, choose the color you want for your table. You can pick a light shade for a clean look or a darker color if you want the table to stand out more. After selecting your color, click OK to apply the change. LibreOffice will instantly update the table background color for you. And that's it. Your table color has now been changed in LibreOffice Writer. It's a quick and easy way to make your document look more polished and organized. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.